actually have something to film now with. As you guys can tell, I haven't been posting, obviously, because of various reasons, and one of those was because I did not have a camera. You know, if the good quality or so is bad, just let me know, and I'll probably do my best to get a better camera. As far as that goes, I have something to film with now. Guys, so let me talk to you for a split second. Yesterday, I was on my way home from school, and I think my bumper completely fell out of the car because I either hit a small animal or it was a tire on the side of the road or something. I was paying attention, but yeah, that's why the car is down at the moment, because I don't really want to drive it without a bumper. I know I'm driving it without the flares, but you know, I'm getting those soon. I didn't want to take it to school today. I think it looks stupid without the bumper. Eventually I'm gonna have to, you know, drive it because I'm actually using my wife's car right now. The bash bars, those, I think those look really sweet, especially for the car. It'll look really completely, like, give it a new look. So we're gonna be doing one of those, and hopefully on my way back from school today, I can actually capture the bumper on the side of the road. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna be catching that hopefully on the way home. I know I won't miss it because it's freaking bright blue, like the car, obviously. And I don't really feel like getting another one of those, because then I'm gonna have to, you know, go through the pain of trying to paint it, trying to find somebody who's gonna paint it the right way. You know, so yeah, I really don't want to go through that. I know I can do it, probably, you know, just match the paint with it, whatever. Also, one more thing, I know this freaking vlog is gonna be all over the place, so I know I've been taking videos at night and during the day, at night and during the day. This is actually in the morning. I am currently on my way to UTI, and that's where I go to college. Eventually I'm going to be making a video of what I feel about UTI and how it is. If you guys are interested in that, just, you know, subscribe, make sure you stay tuned for that video. I got quite a bit to say actually about, you know, going to this school. If you guys are thinking about it, there is some good things and bad things about it. So, you know, if you're, you know, in high school and you're, you know, looking into getting into it, it's you know, it's pretty cool, but it's something I'm going to be talking about in a different video. So as far as the update on the E36, I am going to be, you know, walking around it, telling you guys what I've done to it. It's really not much since the last time I saw you guys or posted a video. I got some donuts here for some subscribers that, you know, are from UTI. I really appreciate you guys. You know, just stay tuned for the videos, support. I really love that, and thank you guys. I did Lexan windows. I installed a temp gauge. I got that from eBay. It is the E36 budget lifestyle, like what the title says, so everything is going to be pretty cheap, you know, just in case you guys are trying to follow or do this or that, you know, just your way. Your car is what makes you, honestly, in the car scene. Anyways, I did Lexan windows, the temp gauge. I also did an oil pressure gauge. I even bought the adapter from eBay. If you guys are trying to look for that, I'll put a link in the description. So I'm gonna be probably skipping through the day. I'm gonna be maybe filming something in school, don't know yet. Strict about filming in there. I can understand why. Alright, see you guys in a minute.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hey guys, we just got a break at you know, school, college, whatever. Usually come to this little gas station on the corner. Got myself a coffee this time. Didn't want to spend any more money. Trying to save some for the car. So, feels weird not driving a really loud car, honestly. I somewhat miss it, but I actually love the comfort of this car. And it has a backup camera, which is decent. Oh, we don't bump into anybody. So yeah, guys, I already, you know, I guess half of the school day has already been by. As soon as I get out of here, oh, that's nice R. Yo, that's dope. Anyways, gotta go back because we only get 20 minutes. It literally takes you like not even 5 minutes to get to the gas station, but yeah. It's gonna be so funny if my bumper's actually like on the side of the highway whenever I head back home. Guys, I'm finally out of school. I can finally go home and show you guys my car and what I have planned for it. This is just an update, just so you guys know. So yeah, it's obviously going to be changing here in a couple of days or so. Oh man, that's pretty cool that it tells you. Brake lamp bulb fault. Oh, I think I already know what it is. Anyways, yeah, I'm fixing to get home. We're gonna check to see if that bumper is still there. I'm not gonna pick it up. I don't really think so. I mean, if it's in good condition, obviously, but I think I completely crushed it when it went under the car. So, oh well. Like I said, I'm gonna be getting a bash bar, or a drift bar, as some call it. So, I'm gonna be doing that. And probably getting a couple of other turbo parts as well. So, you know, we gotta get that turbo going, or the turbo build going. But, I mean, it is my daily, this is the wife's car. So, yeah. I'm going to be having to work around it. We do have a Christmas break. I mean, the turbo in between that week that we have. It sucks that we only have 1 week because, you know, doing a turbo doesn't really just, you know, like take that long. If you're going to do it right, it takes some time. Depends on how many hours you work on it. Somewhere here. I'll try to scoot all the way over there. Let's see. Holy shit, is that it? There's my bumper, guys. There it is. I don't know if you saw it. I'll slow it down, but it's already torn into pieces. There's like legit nothing left. There was a tire on that side, and there was pieces of tires on this side, so I'm pretty sure that's what made my bumper fall out. So I did not hit a small animal. Either way, my bumper was there. Nobody picked it up. I am going with the bash bar like I've been saying. So anyways, I'm almost home. I'm like 20 minutes away. I live pretty freaking far. That's the downside of it. As I'm finally getting home, the car is right there. If it'll focus, it literally looks the same. I mean, the windows are different. I just want to show you around the car. As you can see, the pipes I was telling you about, the induction tubes, whatever you want to call it. A bunch of people keep asking me why I'm doing this or why it has a hole in the window. Because I'm doing a rear mount radiator. Just in case you guys, you know, don't know about that, you pretty much just bring the hoses, put some pipes all the way to the rear. You have to have a really, really big cooling system or some fans in the back so it can actually cool the, you know what I mean, the heat from the radiator. I have an idea in my head. I just have to draw it out. Once I have it drawn out, I'm going to show you guys what I mean. But it's pretty much going to have like mounts for the radiator in the back, and it's going to be at an angle so the coolant can flow, you know, directly. The water not pushing too much into the coolant, I mean into the radiator. But yeah, I mean, once I have that, we're going to be pretty much good to go. I installed one of my racing seats that I had in the other car, stripped it out as you can see. I even took out the sunroof as well. Did one of those too, the Lexan stuff. Pretty much every window in here is Lexan besides the rear one and the front one. You guys already saw the push start. the water temp gauge, got that from eBay for $25. I got the gauge for the oil pressure and the boost gauge, which is already somewhat installed, but obviously I need the turbocharger for it to work. Turbo chip tune is already in it. Mailer war chip, if you guys are wondering, I went with that because I thought it was the easiest and the, I guess, cheaper way to do it yourself. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's that. Took out the fenders because I'm going with some fender flares. If you guys don't know, I'm gonna have to cut that pretty much. And over here on the fenders, I'm gonna have to cut that too. I stripped pretty much everything. I want to do like some racing floors with the Diamondback plates on the bottom. I just like how that looks. This seat is gonna go out. Let me show you the back real quick so you guys can have a better view. This is what I did to the back. That is held on by a drill bit. I'm gonna do a way better job than that. Probably drill it, make it a little bit better. I actually even measured it. I measured everything exactly the way the back plate was, so I can just drill it in. But you can see the tubes. I got 2 of them going this way, you know, to push air towards me, and it really works, guys. Honestly, you guys keep asking me in school if it works and this and that. It does. It pushes quite a bit of air, especially when I'm going like 60 into 80 and 90, whatever, even higher. It pushes a lot of air in, just so you guys know. Water does get in it. I have some plugs that I can put on either side, on the inside or on the back, but obviously not on the back anymore. I got that, and then I got 2 of them going to the back. Eventually I'm gonna have all of them going to the back because that way it cools off better. And like I said, over where the tire goes, the spare tire, that's gonna be cut out, so I'm gonna put some mounts on there. I'm gonna weld some mounts on that. That's that. I don't have the piping yet for the rear mount radiator, but I am going to be running it through here. I'm going to be cutting a hole right there and then putting like a big gasket so, you know, heat doesn't come in as well and I don't breathe all the engine fumes or whatever. If it has any exhaust leaks at all. I trust it that it doesn't, but yeah, the pipes are going to be running through here. This isn't going to be here, obviously. They're going to be running to the back. They're going to be running low, and then they're going to be going a little bit step by step higher, just so you guys know. But yeah, it's going to be super simple. I know how I'm going to do it. I know I've seen other people do it, and it's going to be pretty dope. You guys see the front end? It is completely torn. It looks stupid. I don't like driving it like that, but it is going to get one of those, or the bash bars, my bad. It's going to get the bash bar. It's going to look super dope. I'm going to be taking that out. I need another signal light over there. But yeah, I mean, also it didn't damage anything from the bottom. So I'm extremely happy with that. Nothing's bent, nothing is broken. This did fall out of place because it was up here. But that's about it. And this thing over here. Also, while the thing is out of here, I'm going to be getting some sheet metal and I'm going to be making like induction to where it hits straight into the radiator, because I have a radiator in the back that's performance. It's way bigger than this one. I even have a cooling fan that's going to be going on there, so it's going to have 2 cooling fans. It's even going to get colder. Right now the temps are running at 170 to 165. I think that's extremely well, honestly. That is really extremely well for a car like that's 95 years old. Or not 95, it's a 1995, my bad. For a car that's 1995, it is running really well. The compression is at 160 on a couple cylinders. One or two have 150, which is still okay. It means it's pretty much ready to be boosted. So there you guys go. That's pretty much it. That's my update. I am going to be doing, you know, like videos of what I'm doing and how I'm doing the stuff that I'm going to be doing, if it makes sense. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. So anyways, guys, thanks a lot for watching this video. If you guys stayed through the whole thing, you guys are awesome. I am going to be doing a couple of giveaways for you, those who watch the videos all the way. I like giving back. I always been a person that always gives back. So yeah, make sure you stay tuned for the next videos. Thanks a lot.